What is going on, guys? Welcome back once again to the Income Lounge. So in this video I'm going to be talking about HashFlare and how the Bitcoin and Ethereum mining contracts have greatly decreased in price. I was going to make a video about this about a few weeks ago because the Bitcoin mining prices had been reduced by quite a bit, but now they have been reduced by a ridiculous amount, guys. Like I'm saying, by almost 100%, almost half. It's been reduced by almost half, guys, which is crazy. And I think these contracts are actually pretty profitable. That's why I didn't want to make the video last time they decreased the prices, because it still wasn't very profitable. But now I believe this is actually really profitable, and I think I'm going to get my hands on quite a few terahashes. And I think this is going to be extremely profitable as long as the Bitcoin price keeps staying where it's at, or at least pretty high up at around 9-10,000. I think this is going to be very profitable. Obviously, if you guys believe Bitcoin's going to continue to go down, maybe go down to 5,000 or something, then these contracts will probably not be very profitable. But let's look into them more specifically. I didn't really look into the exact amounts, but right now 1 terahash, guys, is $120, which is crazy cheap considering about a month ago these were at $250, which is insane. It was at $250, and they put it down to like $220, then $200, and now they went all the way down to $120, which is insanely cheap. It's even cheaper than when I bought the original Bitcoin mining contracts on Genesis Mining, which were $150 each. Okay, which is crazy. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, these are 2-year contracts, guys. So you gotta look into that. It's only 2-year contracts. So yeah, but they're definitely trying to get more people to buy their hash power with these insanely low prices. But let's look at the profitability itself at the current price, around $9,000. So right here, actually I'm gonna go on a better calculator. Crypto Compare is okay, but it doesn't have as many details as I want to go back. Okay, yeah, we'll go on CoinWars. Okay, so let's just look for, let's say we're doing 10 terahashes, okay, just to give you guys a higher amount. So $1,260, $1,200, right? $1,200 for 10 terahash, which is 10,000 gigahash. Power cost zero. That zero, and pool fees I think are around 25%, give or take, on HashFlare. And then the hardware cost, of course, we just said that, $1,200. So if we look at this, calculate the days to break even, 226 days, which is not that bad. From a $1,200 contract, you're gonna be making $1,900 a year. And this is a 2-year contract, guys, which means you're going to be making almost $4,000 out of a $4,000 out of a $1,200 investment, which is actually pretty nice. That sounds pretty good. Before, it was over a year to break even, which is really bad. But now that the hardware cost is so low, I think this is pretty profitable, and I think some of you guys should get into this if you are looking to getting into some Bitcoin mining. HashFlare is definitely a reputable site, and they are going to be paying out. I have no doubt that they're going to continue paying out this entire 2 years of your contract. They've been up for years and years, so they're definitely not a scam. Just like Genesis Mining, honestly. HashFlare and Genesis Mining are really reputable in the cloud mining space, and honestly, I would honestly recommend this, guys. And if Bitcoin price continues to go higher, if Bitcoin price goes over 10K, goes to 15K, this is going to be crazy profitable. Now, I haven't really looked at the Ethereum mining yet, but let's look at this. I haven't really checked that out, but I definitely think Ethereum is going to bounce back up, because right now it's pretty low. It's under $700. I think Ethereum is definitely going to go back to $1,000 at some point, for sure, you know? That's just my guess, but so let's do a similar amount, right? $1,200. Let's do something that's around $1,200 too, right? Okay, 55 mega hashes, $1,210, right? So 1210 mega hash is 55, right? 55 mega hash, and the pool fees. Whoops, the pool fees for Ethereum is none. I don't think there are any pool fees, right? Yeah, there's no pool fees, so we can just go with that. So yeah, Ethereum still pretty high days to break even, 385 days. not very profitable because they didn't really decrease the price of the Ethereum contracts just as much, but really the SHA-256 or Bitcoin mining contracts is where the profit is at, guys. Really profitable. You're gonna be making quite a bit per day. Actually, I want to see, you'll be making around $5 a day, guys, which is pretty nice for $1,200. $5 profit a day, over $5 profit. You know, 37 a week, 160 a month. You know, it's a nice passive income, right? So yeah, I definitely think this is a good investment. If you guys think so, you can invest using my link in the description below. I'll also show you guys my code. I think it will give you guys a little bit of a discount. So if you guys want to use my code here, it's this right here, 7F3DFBEB. Okay, so it's right there. I'll actually probably put this in the description too, so don't worry. And then the link will also be in the description. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Just want to talk about the profitability of these mining contracts, which is pretty profitable, at least for the Bitcoin mining. Definitely would not recommend the Ethereum mining, at least until they decrease the prices further for the Ethereum mining contracts. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.